Good morning everyone. Welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is significance of Lahore Resolution 1940. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Pakistan has decided to resume its National Day celebrations in New Delhi after a gap of 4 years, signaling a tentative move towards re-engagement with India by the new government. This decision comes amidst diplomatic tensions and a desire for a low-key and low-risk engagement between the two nations. Now let's understand what was Lahore Resolution that sowed seeds of Pakistan. The Lahore Resolution, adopted by the All India Muslim League during its session in Lahore in 1940, advocated for an independent state for India's Muslims. While not explicitly mentioning Pakistan, it emphasized the creation of autonomous regions for Muslims where they were in a majority. Despite debates on its interpretation, Pakistan celebrates it as its national day, as it laid down the groundwork for the eventual formation of the nation. Now let's discuss what happened after Lahore Resolution. The Lahore Resolution marked a pivotal moment in the Muslim League's demand for a separate nation. It followed years of agitation for better representation and rights for Muslims within the Indian Union. The resolution further solidified Muhammad Ali Jinnah's leadership and his vision for a separate Muslim state. Despite opposition from some Indian Muslims, the resolution set the stage for the eventual partition of India in 1947. Now let's discuss how Pakistan's National Day is celebrated in India. Pakistan's National Day is observed at its embassy complex in New Delhi, usually around 23rd March. The event is attended by foreign diplomats and Indians, with a minister or minister of state often invited as the chief guest. The celebration includes the playing of national anthems of both countries and speeches by the Pakistan High Commissioner and the chief guest. This year, that is 2024, plans are underway to celebrate the occasion on 28 March, indicating a renewed effort for diplomatic engagement. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements regarding Lahore Resolution of 1940. 1. Muslim League rejected the Lahore proposal. 2. This resolution was historic information of Pakistan. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.